So, hello, this will be the first video of this build. It all started with this body. I found it cheap on eBay, and yeah, at first I wasn't sure what to do. So it measures 1.40 meters long and around 60 centimeters in width. So, and yeah, after a short thought, I came to the decision to make a radio control car out of it, so a really big one. And yeah, this is going to be the tube frame I started 2 days ago. So I'm basically using stainless steel pipe. I bought rims and tires from the go-kart market. Those are still used just for fitting purposes. I got this tank from a good friend of mine, which will get the proper cap on top. So this is the engine I'm going to use, or basically this is the start for the engine. So it's basically a roughly a 200cc lawnmower engine, or a go-kart engine. I think in the US they call it Predator. Yeah, it's a Chinese engine. Yeah, they are really cheap. In stock like this, it's around 6.5 horsepower strong. It already has the wet sump clutch with a 2.1 gear ratio, 2 to 1 gear ratio built in it. So, and since I wanted to work a little bit scale, I'm using a drive shaft. So this output shaft will point towards the rear axle, and I'm going to use a real drive shaft in this one. So yeah, as you see, the frame isn't finished yet. I need to order some more pipe. So the car I'm planning right now will get a completely full cage, including the funny car cage for the driver, X braces everywhere. So, and yeah, so this is for the frame, and right over here you just see some more parts I already collected. So this is the rear differential I'm going to use. It comes from a big radio control car. I think it's 1 to 5th scale or something. Hopefully it's able to hold the power later on. So this is the gear I removed from it, and this gear set is what I purchased on the internet. So I need to machine all this out to make it look like this one, and be able to install it on the differential. So these are some more go-kart parts. So this is for the front wheels, and this is for the rear wheels. Right over here you see the brake discs I bought. They are 140 millimeters in diameter. So on top of the brake disc will be these 4-piston calipers. So they are, yeah, obviously out of a bicycle, and I have those on my bicycle, so this is why I know about them, and they are really strong. So this is what's going on for brakes. Yeah, this is the fuel cap I talked about. Yeah, you see all parts removed. This is the carburetor I'm going to use, and this is something special. This is the roots blower I'm planning to install. So this roots blower is built and engineered for smaller cc engines. So this is from a scooter, 125cc, and that scooter made around 15 horsepower in stock form, and was available in a 20 horsepower version as well. So, and yeah, I'm planning to draw through the carburetor and from here out into the intake of the head. So I already disassembled it because I just wanted to check its condition, check the housing and the bearings. So you see, this is how it looks from the inside. The housing is a bit damaged. You see the, let's check if I can zoom in there. So the housing isn't too nice, but it's really hard to find one of those. So I paid a couple of €100 for it, and normally you are not able to find anything. Yeah, I'm going to install new bearings here, and hopefully I will be able to coat these with a special coating on the housing and on the rotor blades as well, to make the gaps a little bit more tight, and yeah, to remove these scratches. So as for the engine, the other parts, I ordered I think about anything I can throw at the engine. So wood means really nice camshaft, billet rod, a new flywheel in billet version, spring kit, whatever you need. The head is already modified, so because as you see here, this is what we do for living. So we are building cylinder heads. So this is my main business, and of course this engine will be getting a complete head as well, with big valves and everything. So hopefully this engine will be around 20 horsepower plus, 8,500, maybe even more RPMs, and I guess this whole build will be pretty light, so hopefully I will get a lot of performance out of it. So yeah, this was the first video, roughly an overview about what I'm planning, about what I already have done, and yeah, if you like the project, please subscribe, and if you have any kind of questions, just leave a comment below, and I see to make more videos, I think at least in once per week, to show you the progress. So thanks for watching.